ako. Lugaw, ang pamawan. Kala mo si Maine. Lustik man. Hindi lugaw man. Morning.
Good mo, Maki. Kape ka na. Kape na. Ano? Kape. Kape. Sige pa cute. Sige pa cute ni Min. Sige. Sige pa cute. Thank you sa thumbs up. Salamat.
Hindi ka pa oran ha. Ikaw, makalik ka pa. Magbintay ka. Di balo man yung eskwela. Sira?
Bababa ko ay glaw.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you 5 people in the home. In the house.
Ha? Ikaw magpo.
Salamat. Bakit sila ngayon? Thank you, 8 people in the house. Salamat po.
Ikaw ang sabi sa akin.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you po. Pinoy Welder Warrior. Hi po. Hi sir. Thank you sir. Salamat. Thank you sa lahat. MMLS. Sa ano ibig sabihin nun? MMLSO. Ano pa ibig sabihin yan? L2 Hus. Ano po yun? Salamat sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you. 7 thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much.
No, pwede mo mag-inom.
Dan, 1 thumbs up. Thank you po.
Malamig na tubig.
Diri, butangan sila ano. Marigam-gam na tubig. Rodrigo from Brazil. Welcome back, Rodrigo. Good morning, my friend. Beautiful woman, Filipina. Thank you, Rodrigo. Wait lang. Sumo tubig. Dali, butang mo sila lang. Ayun, kaya mo? Kaya mo na? Thank you. Rodrigo from Brazil. From Brazil. Thank you sa thumbs up. 7 thumbs up. Salamat ka. You are very welcome to Brazil, my Phil. Thank you. Salamat. Thank you so much for the 7 million in the house. 7 thumbs up. Thank you po. Thumbs up dan. Maganda, Cheryl. Thank you so much, Greg, for the thumbs up. Welcome back. Thank you again. Shout out. Magandang umaga po. Good morning and good evening there in USA. Thank you so much for joining here. Dress Hello Kitty. Yes, Hello Kitty. Steven Martin. Good morning, Cheryl. Always looking beautiful. Thank you so much, Sir Steven Martin. Where are you, Sir Steven? Where are you from? Greg, hello, my brother. Yes, from Riga. Thank you so much, guys. Well, welcome everyone. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. New York, USA, from Steven Martin. Thank you, Sir Steven Martin, for joining the live. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up, sir. Sir, mga sir, thank you for the thumbs up. Hello, Rodrigo from Greg. Thank you po. 9 thumbs up na. Then, salamat sa sampa. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. 6 people in the house. Salamat. Thank you so much. I'm going to dinner. I got hungry now. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. You need to eat na. Ingat ka. Kumusta? Kumusta? Hi, Insan. Kumusta? Okay naman, Insan. Eto, nagatrangkas ang mga tao dito sa mga bata. Ako punta. Hali ako sa, dati sa nagpaimang ako tapos pagkatapos in a few days, sira naman. Kalain, bagbabatog sa ulo. Stuck in Florida. Hi, Rodrigo. Thank you so much. Thank you guys sa nag-join. Thank you guys for joining visiting my little home. All invited, okay? What's your dinner? What's your food for dinner, Rodrigo? Hi, Greg from Stockton, Florida. Stuck, my friend. Why your name is Stuck, my friend? Stuck in Florida. So it's Stuck, my friend. Rodrigo. Hello, Florida. Agab. Tagan mo si Toto. Diri, wala man kami school niyan. Sabi ni mama eh.
Sabi kay mamay,
Oh, tagal mo si Toto.
managap sila. I did it.
Ah,
Ikaw online. Sabi ni ma'am, sa aga may street niya, may skila. Nangapon mo lang nakon.
this is stuck in Florida. It will change this month when I start traveling again out. Wow, I love traveling. Travel nature, I love it. Greg. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. And the 8 people in the house, thank you so much. Hi guys, good morning guys. Good morning Cheryl, how are you doing? I doing live. Later I'm going to work later. They are all teen okay. Yes, 12 thumbs up now already. Your buhok is growing back faster, yes. Growing back faster my buhok. Hello Tita from Greg. Hi Tita Marie. What are you eating? Apple and
May apple pa ako.
ano po? Apple. Apple for Gab. Kasi may sakit. Medyo okay na siya.
Ano ba apple?
Wala na, ano lang yun. Tuluman lang yun. Nano ko kay kahapon.
Ano kay kain?
Opo.
Maya.
Opo. Tagal mo si Toto. Namahaw ka na, Antoy? Ha? Kaya di may biscuit din. Sabi. Aray. Kuya Mike, hello. GT is Y. What means GT is Y? Hello, Florida. Hi, Florida from Gus Sanders. Tita Marie, good evening from Stockton, Florida. See you later, Rodrigo. Yeah, see you later, Rodrigo. Have a good night. Hello, Tita from Gas. Good to see you, GTSY. I just bought a mini seedless watermelon for $20. At 8 the whole thing in one sitting. Huh? Expensive? $20? Yes, putong pakwan here in Philippines. I love to eat the butong pakwan. Watermelon seed. I love to eat the watermelon. Tita, get a yellow watermelon. Yeah, yellow. Greetings, guys. Hope you're well. From Tita Marie. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you for the thumbs up. 13 thumbs up in the house. Thank you so much. Kita mag-inom sa mapindot ha. May doon gaman yung lima. Doon. Yeah, I never saw. Cheryl, you never saw a yellow
ikat mo daw
watermelon
si
before. Yes, I never saw yellow. How about yellow watermelon? I thought it's melon. Melon, not watermelon. Hi from Yakuza Vlog. Hello, Yakuza Vlog. Thank you for joining here. Oh my God, Greg. Would would like to try the yellow one, but it's so expensive. It's five. Expensive per pounds per LB here. Probably $50 to buy. Expensive. My goodness. From Pasig. Hi, from Pasig, Yakuza Vlog. Hello, salamat po. Thank you so much for joining here. From Pasig, Philippines. Pinoy tayo. Hi, ano mo? Pagkaon mo. I want to try it. Also, it looks so matamis. I think it's matamis. Sweet. Nagmano ka
Pili
na?
ako, mama.
May eskwela ka mo?
Opo.
Di ka muna mag-eskwela.
Kaya,
Mapacheck up kita. Ano kita sa vitamins mo ng bulong. Ikaw, taga-san ka?
kapakain ka?
Taga Pilipinas po.
Magkakari ka mo.
Baz. Ano, that is like price in Japan.
Kumitan ka?
Expensive.
Tinay ko.
Most fruits and vegetables are imported, so a lot of tax added on the price. Oh, yes. Yes, Kuya Mike, Japan is getting expensive.
Yeah.
Have you been? Have you been? Saan sa Pinas? Sa, ano po? Sa Bicol. Yellow watermelon is cheap in Manila. Huh? Manila? Meron ba? Meron ba sa Manila? Wala naman. No yellow watermelon in Manila. I never see yellow watermelon in Manila. Hi, Aid.
Salamat.
Welcome here, Aid. Hi. My son is in Nagano, Japan. He's teaching there. We go see him every year. Wow! Nagano, Japan. Back in Florida, I was there for my nephew's wedding about 12 years ago. Grapes were like $6 a pound. Expensive. Why is so expensive? You need to eat healthy foods but expensive. Saan sa Bicol kasi may pinsan ako sa Ragay. Sorsogon pa. That is great. I want to visit Japan someday. Me too. I want to visit in Japan. I like Japan. I saw yellow watermelon in Makati last March. Yes, maybe the the rich town.
Mama, orasan mo ako.
Opo. Rich town have watermelon. Makati is rich town here in the Philippines. One of the rich town. Kari. Okay. Yakuza Vlog. Bakit Yakuza? Taga Japan. Galing ka ba sa Japan?
O baga, warahin mo, o. Ako nabukas ka kahapon. Ako nag-ano ko gahapon, wala, ako nag-guess, ako kanina, hindi na nag-guess.
Cause I'm Jean. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. 13 people. Yes, Japan is only 3 hours flight. It's a great country, so clean and super cheap and fresh food. Yeah. Yes, one of the favorite country. Kali dude. Hi Kali dude. Hello gorgeous. Thank you so much, Kali dude. Welcome back again. You're very pretty. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Pretty, not yet wash face. Just wake up. I found out most Filipinos never tried turkey before. Have you tried turkey? No, never. I never tried. Not yet tried. Turkey. Oh my god. Not yet tried turkey.
Baho! Ay, aliya daw.
Thank you so much for the thumbs up, guys. Parang dili ka man nagiliwan. To kahapon pa yung nabado mo. Dapat pag nag-aabot, nagliliwan.
Hindi pa lang na ba doon?
Mo na naglabar ka na? Mo na ma-eskwela ka na? Naglabar ka na pala. Matiyon man ang sikil mo. Dapat kuskus ang siki. Turkey is bigger and better than manok. I never tried. I not yet tried turkey. Never tried turkey. What it tastes the turkey? Oh, turkey meat. It's big. Hi, Tito Stefan from Canada. Hello, my love, Cheryl. Hi, Tito. That's so funny, Greg. I'm making clubhouse sandwiches with turkey breast for dinner. I never have dragon fruit. Yes, dragon fruit is this good. Also, thank you. Hi, sweetie Tito. Hey, sir. Hi, Tito. Thank you so much for joining here. And Tita, thank you so much. That's, the couple of, the sweet couple. Best couple I know here on YouTube. Tita is the only Filipina that eats turkey. Looking forward to have some Tita. Thank you, sir. Greg. Looking forward to have some Tita.
Pero pag diri yan ako, sinagat.
Aray. Thank you so much for 5 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you, 13 people in the house for the thumbs up. Salamat po. As I'm dreaming of you tonight or tomorrow, and you're holding me tight. Anong oras na? 6. Oh my God.
Robot yata.
It's Canada Day tomorrow. Hi! Wow, Canada Day tomorrow. Celebrate tomorrow, Canada.
Yeah, the black hole.
What's that? Canada Day tomorrow. Party tomorrow in Canada. Like Independence Day. Yes, maybe I think Canada Day. Independence Day. Celebrating Canada Day tomorrow. Here, no Filipinas Day. It's our Independence Day, like 4th of July in the US. Ah, wow, that's 4th? Ah, tomorrow, first day at second day. Tomorrow, I thought so. Tomorrow, July. Na, nagabang pizza niyan? Ano na pizza niyan?
30. Ay, ano, 31. Ay, ano, July?
July 1. Today is July 1 and tomorrow is July 2.
Ay, Tuesday.
Ah, July
Lang na yan.
2.
July what?
Ah, July
Ang birthday ko, August. August na ka.
July. We celebrate 4th of July here in America. Ah, okay. I don't understand that, Tita Marie. It's our Independence Day. I thought celebrate. Most Canadians know more about the US. We study American history in high school. Ah, okay.
Gab! Gab! Yan! Yan!
Wala ako na. I need to for coffee. Water.
Utik. Gab! Kuringan! Yaan! Mayaan! Yaan! Yaan! Uy! Kuringan! 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 Kuringan!
Thank you. Thank you for the 14 thumbs up. Everybody cocks butt out on grill and get hubog charot. Yes, get hubog. Always hubog. Always hubog. Good morning, Manay. Pakape ka na na. Kana na ang kape habang may kape pa ho. May nga pa din na 3 in 1. May katunga pa. May nag-ayuda, may naghatag-ayuda. May nagbigay ng ayuda. Pagkain. Gabi. A lot of people talk today of making it a long weekend celebration, festives and barbecues so small at most parks. My neighborhood smells like barbecue. Thank you po. We'll have fireworks tonight and tomorrow. Wow.
Yeah.
Fire party in Canada. Pinakro ba yan? Opo, pinakro. Hinatag po.
Wala nga nito.
Galing Purok Ono. Salamat sa taga Purok Ono.
Facebook pa lang dami.
Thank you, Guela. Mga Guela na taga Purok Ono. Salamat po. Lagi siya nagbibigay dito. Nagahatag. Matagan nga minsan dito. See you later, maganda. Cheryl, I have to go. Ingat ka. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, Greg, for visiting me and joining me here on
Pakadaon nila sila.
live. See you later, Tita Marie from Greg. Salamat, Greg. Ingat ka. Good night. Sleep well.
Nilagot ko na yun.
Xiao, Greg. Xiao. Xiao. Xiao in Italian word. Xiao. You have a lots of ano? Aray. Thank you, Greg. Parang gusto ko tuloy manghuha bilanghoy. Ay, kasi rapsang bilanghoy. Patagi man. Paayo. Sarap mong bilanghoy. Lalo na suli. Nako, maski uga lang. Okay na. Hamamani ang karne. Hello from Dylan's Global Cast. Hello po. Golden Pizza, hi. Hi, Golden. God, Golden. Welcome back. 15 thumbs up. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Sa kararani nga lang, diri na ako. Diri na masarita. Yun lang. Ayaw son. Hindi anis.
Sentay.
Aray ko.
Sisa, ikaw po.
Nga ano ako.
Sa ito.
Coffee. Amoy English. From team. Amoy English ka. Amoy English. Coffee. Yes, coffee. Sure, read your messenger. What's the message?
Tingnan na niya ng Team 7.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hindi naman.
OMG.
Buruto sa sarada. Simito.
You say that before. You say that. You said, can you get now? Oh my God, what's happening? Coffee. Let's coffee, guys.
Sige.
Hi.
Ama, rasa sa ko.
Po.
5:30.
5:30 na rin.
Pura.
Dire, ang oras mo, ano, 30 minutes lang.
Ha?
30 minutes.
Alam?
30 minutes lang paggamit. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. Hello. Hello, Philippines. Kape. Wow, will you marry me? Huh? Why? You don't know me and I don't know you. We don't know each other. Who are you, Khalid? Lul. You're so gorgeous and lovable. Why you say that? The host understand me. Why do I English? Am I because they wants to know what you said? Maybe that's why. You need to understand it. You know what? We are Filipino. We understand all over the world. Charot. Aray ko. Do you like American men? Because I asked, that's why, Amoy. I like American. I like. And some, and one is I love the one. Tim is the head moderator, so he sets the rules. Yes, he sets the rules. Lol. Ah! So what? Khalid, so what? I can. Inuraga naman ito. Oh, inuraga naman si Ted. May inano siya dito. Si Khalid. Talaga may
Ay,
wala.
ganit na nagtuturo.
Toro, ano po? Kaya pagkabot ko, may mga nakahilir.
Bugabog yan to kanina.
Grabe ito na kahapon, ha?
Oo, kahapon. Di ba pinatangan mo sa tasyon?
I kicked him out because Paul said he had a big, you know what? Yeah, I know that. I can. I said I can. He's playing. He's playing. Yeah, so many gentlemen on the chat. Yes, Tita. So many. He obsessed with that. Oh my god. But my team is so very sensitive. He was not sensitive, strict. My team is strict, sensitive, and protective. Very protective. I'm joking, team. Yes, team. Without joking, me too. I'm joking. Don't be too serious. Oh my god. Well, he has done. Huh? God. Well, I thought I talked to him funny, but aray ko. Sorry guys, I try. Forgive me please. Why forgiving you? No, you're not doing bad, Amoy. Yeah, but when a guy says he has a big, we don't need that of guy here. But okay, I understand. Thank you, Tim. Because my English is good. Is good for 5 minutes only. I like your channel ni Mamoy. It's funny, yes, tita. Oh my God. Amoy paksiw. Wow, you need to, can you extend the time to your English? Amoy. Peke-extend yung English mo. Bakit 5 minutes lang? May expiration talaga. Gabi naman. Kakangere na. Amoy, mas smells yummy. Aray ko. Amoy, I just don't understand you. I'm not picking you on you. I just don't know the language. Yes. Amoy, can you speak English because they want to understand what you say. That's it. Can you extend the time to learn the language, to speak the language? That's it. Why only 5 minutes? God. Aray, nakauduon ako. Tita, after 5 minutes, nosebleed. Grabe yan. Grabe yan. How are you? Hi, Golden. I'm fine. How about you? What are you doing, Golden, now? Nosebleed ako din sa Tagalog. Nosebleed din ako sa Tagalog. We both nosebleeding. Same thing. Same thing. Same nosebleeding in Tagalog. You to also Amoy. We both nosebleed in English. Nothing. I was looking for dinner. Okay. Ay, very good man. Hindi na pasok si Gab. Hindi ka na magpasok, Gab, ha? Paano kami nag-chikap kami?
Hapon na ako school.
Opo. Ate, I need to end live now. Thank you, Tita, Golden, Amoy. Thank you so much. Thank you, my team. Thank you, Tita Marie. Salamat po. And thank you, Teacher Stefan in Canada. Salamat po. Thank you so much. Greg, salamat, Greg. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Stuck in Florida. Thank you so much. Yako sa vlog. Thank you po. Thank you, Cha. Thank you, Insan. Salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you, May. May cousin. May and Pinoy Welding Warrior. Thank you so much. Hindi live na kasi may activity kami ngayon because for the month of July, Nutrition Month, we have an activity today. Not just today, whole month because the month of July is Nutrition Month. So that's it. Have a great day, Cheryl. Thank you, Stakan, for that. Thank you so much. Oh, nice. We do, the tarpaulin of Nutrition Man. Stakay. Hi po. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, guys. Golden. Thank you, Pizza. Hey, Golden. Nagbubatian.